from running, from fishing on me. LJ died. LJ, where are you?
I'm back. I got the flashlight.
Okay, shine the flash. Bro, we gotta shine the flash. Okay, here, let me go in the tree. No, LJ.
Get back up.
I fell, I'm sorry.
Oh, shoot.
Shine the flash.
I'm shining.
Wait, tell them why y'all are
Bro, LJ, come here.
stuff.
LJ, come here. LJ, come here.
I'm coming.
What?
Oh my gosh! It's right there! Shut the flash!
Come here, fatty! Wait, bring him towards the egg.
We need the flashlight. Josh,
spin it! Don't interrupt
Spin
his
it off
dancing.
me!
That's how the angler dances.
I'm sweating so much! No! No! Where'd he go? It's not enough. It's not enough, bro. No, I found the big flashlight. The big flashlight's right here.
I'm coming with 2 of them.
I bet. We shine the triple flash.
Triple flash. The world's brightest
Wait, bro,
flashlight.
you have to get.
Come on,
get green one too.
Green.
Everyone has to have double.
Green.
Green, where are you?
We're about to start.
Bro, this is just like what happened. Wait, no, Green, come here. We have to get flashlights for you. Bro, LJ, can you get me a flashlight and him?
No, Green, hold on. No, Green, come here.
LJ, come here. Yo, wait, can you buy me and Green some?
Alright, so what?
Black. Have you seen Black?
No.
No.
Just take 2 flashlights. Come on.
Black, you're here. Black, you're here. Yeah, you remember you added me?
I added you, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. Pick up 2 flashlights. Take two.
Yo, bro.
No, like hold 2. Hold 2 of them. Oh, yeah, okay, come on.
Everyone, come on. Everyone have 2 flashlights.
Let's kill Angler. Or
Come on, we must shine to the
Guys,
eagle.
we just got back from running from fishing on me. Be careful.
Shine the flashlight.
Shine them.
I'm gonna throw one down there.
He's gonna crap his pants.
I don't have enough either.
Bring him back over.
Play it!
Let's go.
Go back, everyone, go back! Wait for me! Everyone go back and keep shining! Wait for me! Come on, everyone! Oh my gosh, my head hurts from all those lights.
Go! And when he's
Wait,
coming,
wait for
lead
everyone!
him into the red
Everybody
thing.
meet up at the start! Where's everyone? Come on, guys!
Wait, we're not here. Make
I'm not lying, I shit my
pants.
Shine your flashlights.
He angry now.
We know you like the lights.
Did you guys hear that? Anybody see that?
Bro, I have to go in the tree. I have to go in the tree, bro. Oh,
No, I can hear it.
Where is it?
He's after me.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Go. Angler.
Where did he go?
I killed him.
Everyone! Shut the flash! Shut!
I'm gonna let this thing recharge.
Shut that one down.
No, you need them.
I'm letting this thing charge.
Wait, yeah, go grab that flashlight. No, LJ, do it like you did in the video, look.
Oh, yeah.
What did you eat it? I turned it on.
I hear him.
I don't hear anything.
I'm full of
scream.
I'm not gonna lie, we might be cooked. I'm not gonna lie, we might be cooked.
Is it the ogre?
Not gonna lie, we might be cooked.
Guys, go in the tree right here.
I've got a piss.
Don't do this.
I've got a piss.
I might throw one down.
No, because you need the other one. Go get it, bro.
No, I'm not getting that.
Wait, someone give me one! Someone give me one! Sick ass!
Screaming!
I got you, boss!
Where are my flashlights? My backpack.
Guys, I'm so fucking scared.
He's absolutely scared.
I'm about to piss me.
Wait, OJ, restock everyone on flashlights.
Everybody get a flashlight!
Everybody report to base!
Take this.
No, I don't need it. I'm gonna go piss. I'm gonna go piss before I piss my fucking pants.
I think bro already went in his pants.
Green, come back! We're giving you 2 flashlights!
Yo, why is everyone in the server green?
Take this.
Is that the ogre?
Here, take these.
I'm
Take this.
that ogre over here.
Green!
Take these 2 flashlights.
Guys, we have to go check Angler. That's the ogre.
Guys, this is super long. What are you guys screaming?
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
I see ogre.
Show your flashlight.
Run!
Fire bet. Nope, I'm getting as far as I can away from that thing.
Yo, Spider-Man over
What
here
is his
swinging
name,
it.
piece of
Yo,
shit?
run!
Wait, is his name? No!
Wait, you did not.
Thank God bro survived.
He's stuck in this thing. He's not
It
dead!
didn't do enough.
Someone help! Guys, he has
I'm
me!
not getting eaten.
Stop it, Angler!
Stop it, ogre.
We're just being rational. He got me! No!
Bye-bye.
Oh no! Guys, go to fishy on me! Go to fishy on me! Go to fishy on me! Guys, we just got fast food to fishy on me! He's coming! Get him flashlight! Come to fishy on me! Are you ready to bring it to them? Let me go in the tree, bro.
No, like the old days, actually, like the old days. Turn on both of them. I can hear him babbling. Put on one of your flashlights! But put on one of your flashlights! Stop setting traps!
Yeah.
But we're not trying to kill it. We're not trying to kill it.
One more time because those were the last ones. Oh, actually stop! You actually almost killed me.
But we're not trying to kill it. Let me see your backpack.
Give me my backpack.
Johnny's I killed someone!
He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Wait, what? He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Help!
What are you guys screaming about? I'm trying to sleep. I'm trying to
really
sleep.
sleeping?
I'm trying to sleep. Put this headset
Hey,
on.
look outside the door, bro! Look outside of our door! Come on, England! Come on, Andy boy!
He musty and dusty and crusty and stuff.
Charge!
There's a strong
Make sure everyone has flashlights!
Wait, save your energy. Save your energy like the pacer test.
Go slow.
Go slow.
We cooked on the pacer test.
We got hard an entire run, which
We
is
got
surprising.
49. For real.
I know we got
Bro,
hard.
We both. You got 50 and I got 49.
I think I heard something. The old
I
days.
think I hear it.
Like the old days. Wait, what if I connect them like this? World's biggest flashlight.
No, don't.
I'm connecting. Look. Wait. All of our flashlights connected together. The super.
Hold it up! Hold it up!
The super light.
Wait, turn them all off.
I bet.
Okay, 3,
I know.
2, 1.
Stop yelling.
Everyone, yeah,
Hey, Fatty! Why don't you come and taste me?
Yo.
Yeah.
Or how about I say, taste more
Okay.
Yo, LJ got off.
Soon.
Matter of fact,
Wait,
I'm
you
about to
did?
get off.